Hey guys, in this video I will discuss about Cardano blockchain platform USDT. So let's get start the video. Cardano is a public blockchain platform. It is open source and decentralized with conscious achieved using proof of stake. It can facilitate peer-to-peer transaction with its initial cryptocurrency ADA. Cardano was founded in 2015 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskin. The development of the project is overseen and supervised by the Cardino Foundation based in Switzerland. It is the largest cryptocurrency to use proof of stake blockchain, which is seen as a greener alternative to proof of work protocols. The platform began development of in 2015 and was launched in 2017 by Charles Hoskin and co-founder of Ethereum. Hoskin left Ethereum after a dispute with one of its co-founders. Hoskin wanted to accept venture capital and create a for-profit entity, while Bhutan wanted to keep its running as a non-profit organization. After leaving, the co-founder IOHK blockchain engineering company, whose primary business is the development of Cardano, alongside the Cardano Foundation and the platform is the name after Guillermo Cardino, while the cryptocurrency itself is named after ADA Levi's. The ADA sub-unit is the uh, Lovelace 1 ADA. Typically, Cardano does not have an white paper. Instead, it uses the design principles instead to overcome issues faced by other cryptocurrencies such as scalability, interoperability, and regulatory compliance. Cardano claims that it overcomes problems in the crypto market, mainly that Bitcoin is too slow and inflexible, and that Ethereum is not safe or scalable. Cardano uses a proof of stake protocol named Kerberos. This is a contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which use proof of work protocol. Proof of stake blockchain use significantly less energy than proof of work chain. In February 2021, Huxons estimates the Cardano network use 6 GWh annually, less than 0.01% of the 110.53 use of Bitcoin network as estimated by the University of Cambridge. Within the Cardano platform, ADA exists on the state settlement layer. The layer is similar to Bitcoin and keeps track of transactions. The second layer is the computation layer. This layer is designed to be similar to Ethereum, enabling smart contracts and applications to run on platform. Like Bitcoin, Cardano uses a UTXO ledger model, though it is an extended version to facilitate smart contract and scripting language. Cardano implemented decentralized finance service of September 12, 2021, including an upgrade to enable smart contract and the ability to build decentralized application. Dapps also included in Pluts are turning complete smart contract language written in Haskell and a specialized smart contract language Marlowe designed for non-program in the financial sector. Cardino smart contract language allow developers to run end tests on their program without leaving the interjected development environment or deploying their code. Cardano was founded through an initial coin offering. The currency debuted with a market cap of 6,000 billion By the end of 2017, it had a market cap of $10 billion and reached a value of 33 billion briefly 2018 before a journal targeting the offer the crypto market dropped its value back to 10 $10 billion. Cardano reached a market cap of $77 billion in May 2021 and solidified its person as the biggest proof of stake cryptocurrency. IOHQ has printed the University of Blockchain Research in 2017. IOHK helped the University of Cambridge launch the blockchain technology laboratory in 2020. IOHQ donated $50,000 in aid in the University of Wyoming to support the development of blockchain technology. In 2019, Ministry in Education of Georgia signed a memorandum of understanding with the Free University of Tbilisi to use Cardano and Atla to build a credential verification system of Georgia. Its 2019 footwear manufacturer New Balance announced a pilot program on the Cardano blockchain to track the authority of its newest basketball shoe in 2018. IOHK announced a partnership with Ethiopian government to investigate ways to deploy Cardano in the country. In April 2021, IOHQ and the Ethiopian Ministry of Education announced plans to launch an identity and record-keeping system on Cardano for the country. 5 million students in the 2021 auction began working with the electronic dance music DJ Paul to release a full-length album to Cardano blockchain. The album is titled Zombie Lobster.